The facts section in a brief, sometimes called statement of facts or statement of the case, is where you present the court with the facts they need to decide the motion. Parties often disagree on what actually took place, so the facts section is also where you begin to persuade the court that your description of the events is the right one. Plus, it's a chance to add some human interest to the brief. The facts section can't take up too much of the brief because you'll usually need most of your pages for the argument. For a 25-page brief, the facts typically should be no more than 6 or 8 pages. Since space is tight, you have to be selective about what facts you cover, and strategic in how you cover them. Selecting which facts to include can be hard, especially on a motion like summary judgment where you've got a whole factual record to sift through. You have to balance telling a compelling, complete story against focusing the court on the events that really matter. To help you, think about what to include in 2 steps. First, you'll need to include the facts the court will need to know in order to decide the motion. Think about every legal question before the judge on this motion and what facts support your position. Think about what facts the other side will argue that you'll need to contend with. Say the issue is whether your client has adequately alleged a price-fixing conspiracy in their complaint. In order for the court to be able to decide the motion, you'd have to include the facts about the agreement that you allege constitutes illegal price-fixing. Next, you'll fill in details that provide context, tell the story, or explain your client's actions. Think about what information is necessary for the court to understand what happened as a complete narrative, beyond the bare facts relevant to the legal issue. In the price-fixing example, it would be helpful to include facts explaining the market dynamics for the product. This won't go directly to whether the agreement constituted price-fixing, but the market context will help the court make sense of the facts.